Hey everyone, how are you? Most of you are raising the question, what is information science? What's information technology? What's information system? What makes them different? These are your questions, and then today I will address these issues. Especially I will talk about the information science, what does by information science, and then what makes information science different from computer science. Especially other differences might be covered on the other maybe video. In today's video we'll cover the topics that will be covered on information science and the topics that will be covered in information technology or computer science, and the other elements will be covered. So when we come to the before I dive into, my name is Dr. Manuel, and I'm from Jima University Institute of Technology, Information Science Department. Basically, as you know, the terms are most of the time they are confusing, so that you might have some basic understanding about these different terms or the names that you are learning, especially computer-related areas or subject areas will be covered. So when we come to information science, what does it by information science first? Before I move to the different topics, what does it by information science? Basically, when we are talking about information science, it's all about how information is created, organized, managed, stored, retrieved, and used for different purposes. And the other thing is, it is also a kind of interdisciplinary subject area or field, because information science touches different subject area, and you can apply information science in any area, in business, education, health. Like for example, there is health informatics is there. Currently, there is also business informatics. Basically, under the applied informatics, different issues will be covered, which is a field of information science. Also, it have a kind of combination with different subject areas like computer science, information technology, library science, information management, knowledge management, information systems. Within information systems, there are different systems. This all will be covered under information science. When we are talking about information science, maybe information science cover the two areas, that of the manual and a computer-based information science, because manual means it is a kind of traditional library system, but computer-based information science or computational information system, it is different from the one which is basically focused on the digital world-based information systems or information technology or information resources, which will be accessed by using electronic resources, so electronic documents or electronic materials to support the information users. When we come to different topics that will be covered in information science area, maybe it touch different areas, starting from psychology to that of information entropy. For example, information studies or scientists study topics such as data management. That means like data analysis, data mining, data organization, data science, big data. This all will be covered on the information science area. The other one is information retrieval. Especially information retrieval is the application area of information science. When we say information retrieval, because in information retrieval you should learn different languages that can support you to come up with information retrieval systems. Natural language processing is also another part of information retrieval. Then information architecture, that means making information to be organized or to be structured for the development systems. The other one is data mining. In data mining, you can find some pattern which is hidden in the data. And the knowledge management, because especially in the modern companies, they need knowledge management to support the company, because the knowledge are there in the individual's mind, so that knowledge should be managed to make the company to be successful. Otherwise, the company cannot be successful, especially in the current world or in the modern world. So the information scientists can also design and develop systems, information systems, and then technology to support the efficient, effective creation, storage, and the use of by using different like database management systems or web-based systems or knowledge-based systems. They can design it and they can capture different information systems or information for the users, for the company or any individual. So the other thing is information science brings together and uses the theories That means it touches different theories like Shannon theory, social theory, interpretive theory. These all theories will be considered under information science. So we will see talk about these issues especially in I think chapter 3 or chapter 4 of Introduction to Information Science. We'll cover this one. So together it uses the theories, principles, techniques, and the technologies of variety of disciplines toward this solution information. The basic behind information science is solving information problems. One of the information problems is information explosion or information overload. That means the existence of huge amount of information, so that if there is no information science, this kind of problems cannot be handled by manual information science or manual information system. So the goal of information science is to improve the way information is created. That means you can create information in a smart way by using different systems, or you can organize them, then share it with different users. Like for example, if you develop a kind of web page system or web page or website, that will be used to share the information. Information science also is used in order to support better decision making, because individuals can easily access information, improve knowledge discovery. Because information science supports individuals to discover the knowledge where it was. That means maybe in the company knowledge is there, but if there is no information system, it cannot be easily discovered, or individuals cannot easily find it. So the other one is enhance overall productivity, because there is a kind of saying, information is power, so that if you have information, you will be productive. You are a good decision maker, or you are a kind of good leader for some company or some business, so that information science is critical for the individuals. So the other one is information science has application in a wide range of industries, in any industries, especially in the business area, health, education, agriculture. In any sector we can bring information, like in technology, business, healthcare, education, government agencies or government sectors. It's very critical. The other one is graduates with a degree in information science can pursue career in different fields such as information technology, data analysis, library, information services, different areas. Maybe they can work and then they can produce or support their business area. The other one is, how is information degree different from degree in computer science? So most of the time when we are talking about, there is always students politics in the university, especially in Jimmy University. They say you are a library science student, you are going to give books somebody for. That's wrong, because information science is not about only book. It's more than book, because currently anything that, even the one that we are talking about, the negative issues that are related with the library or information science, are the one who are going to search the information science or the information that are created. So this is what makes information science very critical subject area, because information degree and then computer science degree have some overlaps. Because of, for example, in our curriculum, information science have 50% computer science course or IT course, and then 50% the library information science courses are there. So they are equipping the students with full knowledge to practice on the real world, especially in the modern world. We need the students with comprehensive knowledge. That's what we can get from the information science. So that basically, but they have distinct differences. There is a big difference between information technology, information science, and the computer science. For example, a degree in information science focus on organization, management, and the use of information and its systems or information systems, or use of information technology. When we come to computer science degree, it focuses basically on the design and the development of computer systems and algorithms or softwares. So that the focus of information science is not developing the softwares, but the software that can manage information system will be developed by information professionals, also by computer science professionals, so that there is overlap between them. So an information degree might include courses in database management. Maybe you can design a good database management system, connect it with a different website or web page, information architecture, information security, information ethics, or proper use of information will be covered under information science degree. When we come to computer science degree, might include courses in algorithms, developing different algorithms, like operating systems or distributed systems, computer programming. Also, computer programming is provided also for information degree. Similarly, it is for computer science degree, it will be provided. Computer systems, software engineering, these are the area which will be covered under computer science. Sometimes they share some courses together to make the students more ready to bring or to be comprehensive in knowledge. So both fields deals with information technology, because most of them information science or computer science or information system department, they are all using information technology. The focus and then approaches are different, but the way that the computer science use information technology and the way the information science use information technology is different. So the degree in information prepares you for careers or jobs in the management and then organizing information and its systems. Maybe business system or any system. Maybe it's the career information professional. The other one is degree in computer science prepares the students for careers in designing and developing computer systems and softwares like algorithms or developing a kind of smart softwares. That will be the issue which is covered on the computer science. So the other thing is, maybe let us dive into the course Introduction to Information Science. Basically, before we might dive into the course, I think now you have some difference. You have some understanding of the difference between what does by information science and what does by computer science, and what makes them different, and which subject area they focus on. So basically in this course we have around 8 chapters, starting from the concept of information up to overview of the library. That's the last chapter. And then for each chapter, maybe I will develop the video and then I will upload on the He.Tube, and you can find it there, and then you can listen, because it is very critical for your exit exam. In addition to the module that the department provided, I will also provide you the handout, but the description will be here, and then I will provide it on your document, so that it's very critical, and then you can come up with different issues which is important for study of information science. Thank you.